guys, it's Sadie. This is like a back to school video and I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm so excited, but I am so freaking nervous. Like, do not get me wrong. All these stories that I'm posting on my Instagram, I'm like, oh, I'm so excited, so excited. And then it's like, yes, but I'm also kind of shaking. If you guys didn't know, I am going to Laurier University in Waterloo, Ontario for communications. I have a whole, I call it like a college playlist, even though Laurier is a university. I'm calling it college because in the US, I feel like a lot of people call it college. So when people search up videos, they usually use the word college. My goal for this back to school time is just to share like the most real and raw experience that I have. Like any day that I'm freaking out or super nervous, I'm gonna film it and I'm gonna put it on here. I want to show my actual experience so I can also look back at it and also let you guys know that if you're feeling the same thing, you're not alone. Like, I am so nervous, but I'm also very excited. I'm at the point where I'm like, I just want to be there. Like, I'm moving in as I'm filming this video. I'm moving in like 3 days to my apartment, and yes, I'm doing a moving vlog and a ton of moving videos too. But this video is going to be a what's in my backpack. Oh, I should probably take a thumbnail. Oh my god, I always sweat so bad when I'm taking thumbnails because usually I have to like hold stuff up and I'm like shaking, but I'm like in the photo. I feel like this what's in my backpack video is not really super college themed. I feel like this could also work for high school and elementary school, or in the US they call it middle school. You might notice this backpack. You might recognize it from my last back to school video. I have had this for so long and it is a Herschel bag. I just love this gray color. And when you're wearing like a sick outfit, it doesn't take away from the outfit, but it also doesn't add anything too crazy. I just really love Herschel bags. It's a Canadian company. This is not sponsored. I'm just giving them some free promo right now. Herschel, I love you. Like, there's no need to get a brand new bag, and it also holds a lot. So I mean, this is a medium size. You can get a smaller Herschel one, but I literally don't know how people fit stuff in there. Like, I could not even fit like a toothpick in there. Like, I was like, how are you doing that? Oh my god, why is this already heavy? Oh, and there's like not even textbooks in it yet. I feel like I've been talking for like 7 minutes and we haven't even taken one thing out of the bag. The first thing that I will always have in my bag is my laptop. MacBook Pro 2021 version, I believe. It's the one without, there's a hair in it. The one without a touch bar, but it does have the Touch ID and it's very fast. Really good for editing, but I feel like it's also going to be good for school. I'm going to be taking most of my notes on my laptop, especially since I don't have to take like the math and the science classes. Like, it's very English, literature, and philosophy based. Here is going to be my pride and joy and my bestie for the next 4 years of my life. Not that it already isn't. I pretty much only bought 3 new school supplies for this year. These are 2 things that I actually didn't have. I wanted some folders because I know I'm gonna get some handouts in my classes, but I don't need like a full-on binder. These 2 folders that are 5-star folders. Guys, this is really throwing me back to original YouTube, like OG back to school hauls, and people would be sponsored by 5-star and they would get just like a bunch of 5-star back to school supplies, and I was like, you are literally my dream. Like, I want to be when I'm older. This is not sponsored by 5-star, but I'm a fan of their work. 2 pockets, and then this kind of pocket, I don't know, and it has pockets up there, so kind of sick. Oh, and also forgot to say, wow, I'm being a very bad YouTuber today. All of the things that I am showing you, I will either link down below the exact thing that I have or a similar thing. If you remember some of these things from my old back to school videos, you are so cool. Do you remember this? Cue the clip. I recently got this when I went to Montreal and I'm obsessed with it. It is this adorable, pretty, eccentric, stunning, just amazing floral notebook. Guys, what I like about this one is that it is split up. Like, it has these little dividers in it so you can kind of split up your classes. What I would suggest though is not getting a spiral one, because then every time you put it in your bag, the spirals kind of get bent apart. So a composition notebook might be better. So that is that. And that is that. Then I have another little notebook. This one I figured I would just have for jotting down random notes, or if I have a question in class or something that I just want to remember, just because it's kind of small. It's also just very cute and cuddly, and it says at the front, there's nothing like a new day, a bold chance, a blank page. Oh my gosh, wait, why is that kind of cute? It kind of matches, like the black adds a little bit of dimension. Actually, this would probably be my bestie. This and my laptop. My planner, this is from the Fringe company. I bought this probably in chapters, but I'm going to link down below similar ones on Amazon, and they're on Amazon Prime. They'll come super quick. What I love about this one is it has like a monthly kind of goal setting thing. Goals, birthdays, anniversaries, notes, and to-dos. And then it has a monthly planning page, which I don't use because I like to use my phone calendar. calendar for that stuff, but then it has the daily to-do list. The first things that you need that will change your life are erasable gel pens. You heard that right, erasable gel pens. Cute colors, really easy to write with, but then there's just this little thing, just erase like a pencil and it comes off, doesn't leave a smudge. I will link down below these gel pens for you. They are life-changing. I actually have a class that's called Skills for University Success. It is basically all about managing your time and how to plan and stuff. I'm pretty sure I could probably teach this class. One of the requirements was to buy a desk pad calendar and have colorful pens. Pretty sure that's gonna be my favorite class I've ever taken in my life. But I also got these black pens because I wanted regular black ballpoint pens too. My favorite highlighters ever. These are not the, are they called mild liners or mid liners? Are they mild liners? Mid liners? I'm gonna call them mid liners. What? Midliners? These are better than midliners in my opinion because, sorry, that is so embarrassing. My camera literally just died in the middle of my sentence. I always get so offended. I'm like, you really couldn't have just waited till I was at the end for like a convenient time to die. They have a little window that you can actually see what you're highlighting while you're highlighting it, so you can make sure it's a straight line. But wow. Like wow. And you can see the writing very easily through them. You know when highlighters are just way too pigmented and then you're like, oh, it's kind of making my notes look so messy. These are just so light. I never really use this side, but there's also like a little pen of the highlighter. Then I just have some pencils and I got 2 new erasers because I always lose one. These are the best ones. You have to get the Stadler white ones. You just need it. Or else I don't really know what else, but lastly in there, I feel like I don't even have a lot of stuff in here. Also, this is a makeup bag that I got probably when I was 12. I keep 2 colors of post-it notes in here. This is gonna be really good for like readings. I have my insulin pouch. This is also a pencil case that I bought off Amazon. It's actually a really cute, wait. Shut up. Then I have my glasses. I actually just got 2 new pairs of glasses and I'm so excited. These are Kate Spade. As you guys know, can't really see on my own, so I need glasses. I wear contacts every single day and glasses every single day. These are the ones that I have. And then I also got, let me just, oh, I already showed these on my Instagram story, I think. But I also have these ones, which I am obsessed with. They're just clear. What I did is I got the blue light lens in these ones, and then these ones are just regular, and it has a cute little pink cleaning cloth. Then I have this makeup bag because it says eyes, but we're not gonna look at that. This is where I just have my electronic stuff. I just didn't want to put it loose in my bag, but I have my laptop charger and my phone charger. Now we are into like the emergency kit things. You probably don't even know how obsessed I was with like emergency kits, packing my purse and like what's in my backpack videos and school essentials videos. This was the best part of the video. Like this video, let me know down below if this is the best part. It's just like so interesting and girly, I don't know. In my emergency kit, I tried to keep it kind of minimal, but it's probably not very minimal. Extra strength Advil liquid gels, some contact solution, I have the mini one, a contacts case. Wow, I have so many glasses things. These blue light glasses, I actually just got these from Clearly, and they actually block out like 99 point something % of blue light from devices. And then I just have another cleaning cloth in there. Sorry, I'm just popping in here to say that I am currently hosting a giveaway with Clearly on my Instagram. 3 winners are going to win an $100 e-gift card to the Clearly website if you are in Canada, so make sure to go enter that on my Instagram. I'll link it down below. I have these blonde hair ties. I don't really know if this is the color. Oh, maybe it is the color of my hair. But when I put my hair up, it kind of looks like I have brown hair up until the ponytail, and then the ponytail's just blonde. So excited for my hair to grow out. So excited. But I have a cajillion in there because I always want hair ties at school. And then I have some gum. These little That's It bars. And these are literally made out of apples and blueberries. Like no other added preservatives. They're just so easy to throw in your bag, or if I'm low and I don't want to have glucose, I'll just eat this. A mini hairbrush, because as you can probably tell, I've probably touched my hair like 30 times in this video. I just don't feel good when my hair doesn't look good. So if I could just have a mini hairbrush just to like brush out the little ends. These tampons, and these are the best tampons ever. Actually, are these even the ones? Yes, Playtex Sport tampons, especially if you're going to work out and stuff. They like bend with you and you don't feel them at all. So I would suggest Playtex Sport tampons. And then I just have a little mini deodorant, little spray on, and I got the spray one just in case like a friend needs it. And this is a random makeup bag that I got in a PR one time. Okay, and now we're literally at the front pocket. See, I don't think it's that many things. I think I did a pretty good job of like keeping it minimal. First, I have my AirPods. This case is probably discontinued by now. I get a million questions on it. It's from the brand Mobile X, but I'm not sure if that brand is still up and going and if they still have these designer kind of things. But if I can find a similar one, I will link it down below. I'm always listening to music. That's gonna be my thing, like listening to hype music while I'm walking to class. And then I have some glucose tablets. I love these little tubes. These are the orange flavor though, which is ironically my least favorite flavor. Then I have my keys. You need a little keychain or a little lanyard that you can either put around your wrist or put around your neck. It just frees up your hands and you don't want to be like swinging around your keys. Bailey has a matching one and she has a little bear and it says B on it and mine says S on it, and it has a cute little other bear. I got it off of Etsy, so I will link it down below, and I will also link a similar one on Amazon because it kind of took a long time to get here. But then I got this on Amazon too, which is just a wrist strap. I have this little safety alarm thing, which you also need. I got this on Amazon. It's also a light, the flashlight. Double click that SOS and your ears will start ringing. Oh, hand sanitizer. This is the lavender scent. These two things are things that I couldn't put in this bag because I just need them all the time. Like I will be reaching in my bag and getting this out probably every 10 minutes. Chapstick, Burt's Bees Ultra Conditioning Moisturizing Lip Balm, my perfume, which I also put on 14 times a day, Maroma Vanilla Perfume Oil. And then I also have some masks. I just bought a huge pack on Amazon and I'm just gonna leave some like in my car, in my apartment, in my bag because we are wearing masks in class. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to stick around and subscribe to see my whole university journey and what I'm up to. I love you so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye.